Hello everyone, this is Martha Lawrence and today we have learned chapter number 7 and chapter's name is the coastal plains and the islands. Okay beta, so let's start this chapter. Okay, so we can see here sea and coast and coastline. So what is sea? Look at this is a sea, okay, and this is a coast and this is a coastline. Okay beta, so next is what is a coast and coastline. Coast, first is coast, the land along an ocean or sea or a bay is called a coast. Okay beta, and next is coastline, the boundary of a coast where land meets water is called the coastline. Okay, so this is done. Next, we can see here India a peninsula with sea on three sides. So one side is here, second side and three sides. Okay, first is West Arabian Sea. So look at this. This is the Arabian Sea, and second side east Bay of Bengal. Look at this Bay of Bengal, and next is South Indian Ocean. Look at this. Okay beta, and next is what are the coastal plains of India? Okay, narrow stripes of plains that are located along the coast of the Arabian Sea in the west and the Bay of Bengal in the east are known as the coastal plains of India. Okay, look at this is a coastal plain of India's map. Okay, so we can see here, let's try one. So first is which coastal plain lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. So you have to write here Western coastal plains. Okay, next is which coastal plains lie between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. So you have to write here Eastern coastal plains. Okay, next is name the place where these two coastal plains meet. So you have to write here Kanyakumari. Okay beta, and wait. Okay, next is which states lie in the western coastal plain. So you have to write here Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Okay beta, so next look at this, name the two union territories that lie in the western coastal plain. So you have to write here Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Okay, and next is which states lie in the eastern coastal plain. So you have to write here Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Okay, uh, next name the union territory that lie in the eastern coastal plain. So you have to write here Pondicherry. Okay, you have to write here Pondicherry. And next is which is border, the western coastal plains or the eastern coastal plains. So you have to write here the eastern coastal plains. Okay beta, and next is look at this, we can see here the coastal plains of India, and we can see here two western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. Okay, so between Arabian Sea and Western Coast Ghats, listen to me carefully everyone, we can see here Western coastal plain and Eastern coastal plain. Western coastal plain between Arabian Sea and Western Ghat, and Eastern coastal plains between Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats. Okay, this is a difference. Okay, and Western coastal plains less fertile than eastern coastal plains, and eastern coastal plains more fertile than western coastal plains. Okay beta, and we can see here all states. Okay, so Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, parts of Tamil Nadu, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli are states of coastal plains of India. Okay beta, and next is Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry are all state of coastal plains of India. Okay, next let's try to is underline the correct words and write the correct words above it. Okay, first, the land along an ocean or sea or bay is called a coastline. No, you have to underline first coastline. Okay, and you have to write here coast, and the boundary of a coast where land meets water is called the coast. So you have to underline coast and you have to write here coastline. Okay, baby. And the coastal plains lying between the Eastern Ghats and the Arabian Sea are known as the Eastern Ghats plains. So you have to underline Eastern and you have to write here. Listen to me carefully, everyone. I repeat once again. The coastal plains lying between the Eastern Ghats and the Arabian Sea are known as the Eastern Coastal Plains. So you have to underline Eastern and you have to write here Western. Okay. And next is the coastal plains lying between the Eastern Ghats and the Arabian Sea are known as the Eastern Coastal Plains. So you have to underline Arabian Sea. Okay, beta. And you have to write here Bay of Bengal. Okay, and next is the two coastal plains meet at Chennai. No, this is wrong. So you have to underline Chennai and you have to write here Kanyakumari. Okay, and next is the western coastal plains. Uh, so we have to learn about the western coastal plains climate. Okay, beta. So we have to wait. Okay, so the western coastal plains. So we shall learn about the western coastal plains climate. Okay, so first, summers are hot and humid and it is pleasant from end of September onward. Okay, beta, onwards. And next is the marine national in the Gulf of which is on the western coastal plain at Gujarat and is home for corals and a variety of marine animals. And mangrove trees and sea grasses are also worth seeing. Okay, beta. And the Gir National Park are also located on their coastal plain. Okay, beta. So look at this. We can see here mangrove trees speak. Look. And next is Marine National Park. Okay. And next the Western Coastal Plains. So we shall learn about western coastal plains. Okay, beta. Jowar, bajra, cotton and groundnut crops which need less water are grown here. Okay, beta. And because the coastal plain of Gujarat get less rainfall than the rest of the coastal plains. Okay, and seawater is collected in pits called pans, and salt is obtained after the water evaporates from these pans due to sun's heat, and the salt is purified and sold. Okay, beta. And next is look at this pans. Okay, beta. And next let's try three. Okay, beta. So weather, coastal plains of Gujarat's weather. Summer is hot and humid, winter pleasant, and monsoon plenty or rainy season. Main crops any two: barley, jowar, bajra, cotton, and groundnut. And plants and trees any two: mangrove trees and sea grasses. Okay, animal any two: Asiatic lion and mugger crocodile. Next is main occupation. So main occupations is first is farming and second is making salt. And next is local food jawar roti with tuar dal, vegetable and buttermilks. Okay, beta. Next, western coastal plains beyond Gujarat. Maharashtra is to the south of Gujarat and Mumbai is a large city on the western coastal plains beyond Gujarat. Mango orchards, rich fields and coconut trees lie in the coastal. It is much greener than Gujarat. Okay, beta. Next is ships from all over the world bring and take goods and people from the harbor. And Juhu beach is very popular with people. Okay, beta. Look at this. This is a Maharashtra speak. Look at this. Look at this view. Okay, this is a very awesome, really. Next is look at this Mumbai harbor. Mumbai harbor. Okay, beta. Next is Mumbai, and next is Juhu beach, Mumbai. Look at this, very beautiful. Next, Goa is also on western coastal plain. The weather is cooler in Goa, and Goa has red soil and rice, plum, and coconut grow well along the sandy beaches. And the other popular trees are mango and cashew, and chick and sal. The seashore is rocky in some places. Look at this, a beach in Goa. Look and look. Wait. Look at this view. Very beautiful, really. Okay. Next, cashews in Goa. Goa. Look at this. You can see here estuary. We shall learn about estuary. It is a partly enclosed water body that opens to a sea, ocean, or other bodies of salt water. Okay, beta. And fresh water mixed with salty seawater in an estuary, and it is also known as brackish water. Many small rivers of Goa from estuaries at the coast. Look at this, Goa. Man occupation. The main occupations of Goans is farming, fishing, and tourism. Goa is rich in iron ore, and many people work in mines. Okay, beta. Look at this, Karnataka and Kerala. Thick teak forest covered the coastal plains of Karnataka. Kerala is the southernmost state of the western coastal plains. Okay, beta. Fishing is an important means of livelihood in Kerala. A lagoon is formed when seawater gets separated from sea by rocks or sand. Kerala is known for its lagoons and backwater. In Kerala, some lagoons get some lagoons some lagoons get interconnected and from backwaters. Okay, look at this Kerala backwaters. And next is eastern coastal plain. The summer are hot and humid, but the winter are pleasant. It rains heavily in the rainy season. Now, the coastal plains of Tamil Nadu receive rain in October. Okay, beta. And next is delta. It is a triangular landform created by deposition of fertile alluvium carried by rivers to the sea. Okay. uh, Main occupation, fishing and farming. Important rivers, farming delta in eastern coast. So look at this river, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. This is a important rivers. Okay, important rivers of eastern coastal plains. Next is important crops: sugarcane, rice, cotton, and tobacco. Important seaport, Vishakhapatnam. Okay, so we can see here olive ridley turtle come to Orissa to lay eggs. Next is Vishakhapatnam set port. Look at this. Excuse me. Look, the islands of India. So we can see here two parts, one and two. So the islands of India, three. There are two groups of islands. This is a one group and this is a second group. First group is Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. So we can see here two groups. One group is here Arabian Sea and second group is here Bay of Bengal. Okay, and the climate on both the group of islands is hot and humid. Okay, so we shall learn about the Lakshadweep Islands. This is a group of 36 coral islands, but people live only on 10 islands. Okay, beta. On other islands the soil is soft and houses cannot be built on it. Okay, beta. Next is Kevarati is the capital of Lakshadweep. The islands are covered with flowering plants and sea grasses, shrubs, and coconut trees. Okay, look at this, the Lakshadweep Islands. Very beautiful, really awesome. Look at this, corals are homes of living organisms. Okay, look at this, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. See, North Andaman and Middle Andaman, Lower Andaman. Okay, and this is a capital, Port Blair. Andaman and Nicobar. So we shall learn about Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, and we can see here all points. This is a group of 300 islands, of which 38 islands have people living on them. Okay, beta. And the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Port Blair, and the islands are covered with dense evergreen forest, and many tribes live in these forests. Many people came here as tourists. I repeat once again, many people come here as tourists, and scuba diving and fishing are popular. Look at this, this is a scuba diving. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, look at this, very colorful. Okay, look. Next is Indian Navy and the Coast Guard, and they look after the water bodies and coastline and the islands of our country. Look at this, Tat Rakshak. Oh, end of the chapter. So listen to me carefully, everyone. I hope you will. I hope you understand very well. Okay, beta, and you have to watch this video once again very carefully, baby. So bye bye and take care and have a good day, baby. Okay, so bye, students.